Welcome back to a special quarantine edition of Dinner by Dennis. That's right, we're Dinner by Dennis now, because so many of you didn't know what vittles are.
Blaming the audience, Dennis? You're insulting their intelligence?
Anyway, we're making Fataya today, a Senegal street food.
Please let this work and not explode.
Put it in away from you. Alright, first things first, we're gonna make our Yassa sauce. Yassa sauce is like this lemony, onion, peanut oil, and Dijon mustard sauce that we're gonna marinate our chicken in.
That sounds fantastic.
First up, we're gonna dice our onions. I'm so cool. Alright, gonna roll this lemon. This just releases the juices, makes it easier to juice. Cut it in half.
Now let's combine the rest of our marinade. Dijon mustard, peanut oil, black pepper, Texas Pete hot sauce, maybe even some cayenne pepper.
It's not open.
Here I'm just making some cuts in the chicken for the marinade.
Alright, now we're gonna add our Yassa sauce to our chicken and marinate it for about 1 or 2 hours. Really as long as you have patience for.
What sauce is it?
It's Yas Queen sauce.
Oh.
I don't understand why I do it.
It's a good ratio though. Okay, now we're just chopping some potatoes to fry. Okay, now we're moving on to making our dough, and that's going to start with 2 1/4 cups of sifted flour. When the moon hits your eyes. While I mix this flour and butter into pebble-sized pats, Dennis is going to be beating some eggs, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a 1/3 cup of water, iced water, together.
Do something like weird with the egg. Oh, this thing.
Alright, we're going to roll this out into a flat rectangle and then chill it. You might say that this is an empanada. Alright, finish.
And now we're gonna fry our French fries and then we'll cook our chicken. Oh. Ooh, that's right.
Yeah, always double check your oil temperature and level.
Now I'm gonna salt our fries while they're still hot and oily. Next, we are going to cook our chicken.
I'm frying them skin side down first. Smells so good. Whew.
The Yassa sauce.
Yassa sauce. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Alright, so this dough normally makes like 12 empanadas. For our recipe, we want them to be big. We're gonna try and make 8.
Big and meaty, dude.
So we have 7 empanadas, and we need to make a fried egg to put inside each one.
Alright, we're just gonna roll these guys out and then fill them. Filling. That might be too.
Whoa!
Alright, that's way too much stuff. But it's done. Here goes nothing.
Let's do it at a time. So we're gonna try and fry these for a few minutes on each side and then flip it over.
I think this is about the color they should be, because the flour is kind of dark anyway. Look at that hook on the edge of that one. Friggin' vicious. I got this one. This is mine.
Alright.
Alright. Transition! Okay, it's crispy. Looks light. Delicious.
Oh yeah. The hot sauce adds another dimension too. Normally you serve it with like a mixture of ketchup and hot sauce.
I want to get into this one so bad, but the dough's pretty good just by itself.
Taking one bite, I'm already full. It is a meal. Every bite gives you like a different combination of the filling too. You know, you're either getting like more chicken or more potato, more egg.
Once you get to the center though, that the lemon and onion and the chicken just hits you.
Behold my bite marks. That's a wrap, baby.
I like it.
See you guys for the next one.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Hit the bell.
It's a great idea to make Fataya. And spend all day doing it.